Every programmer's journey is like a roller coaster full of bugs, coffee, and emotional damage. Today, let's go through the hilarious stages every programmer goes through. If you're a coder, you've definitely experienced at least 10 of these. Stage 1. Hello, world. Euphoria, I just made the computer talk. I'm basically a hacker now. Hollywood, here I come. Stage 2. Tutorial binge phase. I've watched 47 hours of tutorials and built absolutely nothing. But I'm learning, I think. Stage 3. Stack Overflow Scroll-a-thon. Do I understand this code? No. Does it work? Somehow, yes. Good enough. Stage 4. Syntax error. Rage 1. Missing semicolon. Ruined my entire life. Stage 5. The one bug all day spiral. I rewrote the whole codebase. It was a typo. A typo. Stage 6. Geek confusion zone. Am I supposed to pull before pushing? Merge? Rebase? Help! Stage 7. Works on my machine. Defense. It works on my machine. If it doesn't on yours, maybe your machine is the problem. Stage 8. Imposter syndrome. Panic. I forgot how for loops work. Am I even a real developer? Stage 9. 3. Debugging breakthrough. Yes. I fixed it. Wait, how did I fix it again? Stage 10. Pointless projects phase. It's just a to-do list with dark mode, animations, and confetti when you add a task. It's revolutionary. Stage 11. Stack switch crisis. Today I'm a web developer. Tomorrow I'm training AI. Next week, building a game. I can't choose. Stage 12. Burnout and break phase. I'm done. No more coding. I'm becoming a farmer. Stage 13. The comeback. Wait, a new JS framework? Okay, one last project. If you've been through these stages, congrats. You're officially a programmer. Drop a comment with the one stage that broke your soul the most. Like, share, and subscribe because therapy for coders is expensive and this channel is free.